The existential question facing all of us today, AI, and whether AI has already come for our jobs and
I hate AI and AI sucks. I know it's a big controversial statement to make, but I'm making this whole video with facts that why I feel so. And yes, I don't hate technology. I'm a marketer, I run business, I use technology every day. But when something can be automated and something like so much digital, so much software becomes the center of human life, that is my problem. And I feel somewhat just like how Trump, Modi, or Hitler, yeah, kind of killing the democracy, being the one person who's running all. I feel AI is something matlab it's been run by powerful companies who is controlling that and just want to get control on the whole world through AI. So I feel AI is kind of our digital Hitler, if you can say so. But anyway, I have few facts and reasoning for that. And my main purpose to make this video is to make sure that AI will never replace humans. First, AI is super bad for environment. I mean, if you can know and if you can read it, the data machines require lot and lot of water to sustain it. Even the one prompt, I think you type on ChatGPT, some gallons, liters of water is being used. So I feel that abhi it's okay because we have a lot of thing to waste in environment. But once like after years, when environment it's not sustaining, AI will not sustain. And I feel that like everybody is targeting India and making India a dumpster. That's why mostly good talent and everybody is moving abroad because India people are just making as a dumpster, placing their factories, now coming with AI, placing all the water resource here. So all the garbage will be dumped in India because yeah, why not? And everything that will be cream and will be good and will be the rich people, families or sons or daughters, they will shift to abroad. So I feel that it's not good for India. It's not good for environment. So why should I like it? Second is the ownership problem, which is I think is a bit problematic. You create something, someone else creates something, thousands of posts create something, internet gets raped. Then machine produces something and you are said that you're doing the output. Okay, but do you own any originality? I mean, I don't think that whatever AI gives me is something original. It's just a combination and repurposement of the ideas and thoughts already shared on the internet. And kinda it's infringement because if I am using amalgamation of few people thoughts, I am kinda claiming their content mine, if you say so. So firstly, imagination, like spending doing creative research took hours of time, took so much efforts, and now it's all copied and we are all just using each other's copied content. So I don't feel there is any originality in this. Next is the problem, which is maybe for now, maybe you can say ki after years Kriti AI will improve, but for now AI output is crap, literally crap. I mean, either you see the images, the videos. I mean, for some softwares with the paid credits, there is some kind of goodness, but mostly which are free and mostly which are in the market, all are crap. Their output is like a human can write better than that, of course. And I feel that AI is just producing mediocre content, and yeah, I mean, if you take an experienced, smart, creative human, that can do much better than the mediocre content of AI. And we just don't want more, we want quality. And ChatGPT, Claude, these are just producing more of crap, and they're not giving us the quality which we deserve. And for that reason, I'm coming to my next point that AI will never replace humans. Now, when I say this, I don't mean that AI will never replace you. AI might replace you, but AI will never replace humans. Now, when I say humans, I meant that the art, the creativity, the experience, the knowledge, the research, that part AI can't replace. So if you are a mediocre person with a mediocre skill set, AI will replace you. And so you will be replaced by a smart person too. So if you are replaceable because you don't have those much skill set and smartness or you're not upgrading yourself, you can be replaced by AI or the smart people. So now who you like to choose to be replaced by smart people or AI? That is a different argument altogether. But the cream, the crux, the core strength of the people that AI can never replace, because AI output is quite mediocre. And for now, for in present, I don't believe that we have any threat from AI. And again, the AI content generation is so slow. I mean, we though I read in Reddit previous, like now there will be humans who will allow what should be published on what platform, because so much of AI comments, so much of AI content is getting circulated on platforms, and AI slop is coming that like algorithms are also don't want that kind of content. They want a human to check and then able to publish. And the last thing, I feel that AI has the best PR in the world. I put an Insta story also on this. So if you ask ChatGPT to write a bashing, unapologetic, hatred post, it will not write for you. Even if you write something, they will make it very flexible, very critique oriented. But I don't want to be critique. I don't like AI. I don't see the future, and I don't feel AI is good for my environment. Why should I promote such thing? So I feel that AI is God or AI is the future only said by the AI companies or the AI tools. The actual humans will not say these stuff, because they know that AI has its own limitations, and currently you can't say it can replace humans in any manner, because I think that human minds have created something very credible, very credible. If you see the good movies, if you see the good stories, if you see the discovery of laws, I mean, humankind evolution might be have been slow, but it has created so much, and AI has not even touched the iceberg. So I feel that for now AIs have a good PR, so they keep saying that AI is the future, but I don't feel AI is the future. Now you will say, Kriti, you yourself use chat. See, I use chat GPT. It doesn't mean that I have to praise that tool. Okay, if it has flaws, if it has limitations, I will call out that. So yeah, matlab, my main motive is always be that if you use something, if you see something, hear something, don't become the andbhakt. Use your own logic, see exactly what's happening, and then do proper reasoning. So yeah, that's it for this video. I am gonna write a huge kick-ass newsletter on it also. So if you're not following me on Substack, please do, because I create amazing content there. And the good part of the Substack is that it is still not touched by AI commons people. So it's a lot of creative and manual stuff. So yeah. So, and if you want more videos like this, honest and brutal, my thoughts and opinions on it, so please tell me in comments what you like to share and what are your thoughts regarding AI. Even if you disagree with me, it's okay, but you should let me know in comments. Bye.